clearly this movement towards drones is going to change how warfare takes place, kind of going forward. You have any thoughts on that?
It's beyond just drones. It's like linked with space technology, the mass movement of troops, and it's more subterfuge and a lot of other things. Prior to World War II, battleships lined up against each other. They shot at each other. The one with superior firepower won. They underestimated, aircraft in terms of armies were only used for reconnaissance. And Pearl Harbor was drastically underestimated because they never thought that aircraft could be used in this way. They actually thought if a first shot came, it would become in a much closer target like the Philippines. You could have something similar occurring here where there's a shift, as we saw the shift from basically battleships to aircraft carriers and air power. We're now seeing another shift as well, and that's dramatically redefining warfare.
That's awesome.